Alright, the time has now come to download R. So to get started with this, what you need to do is go to rproject.org. That's r-project.org. That will take you to this web page. From here, on the left-hand side, you'll see download and CRAN. That's the CRAN, the Comprehensive R Archive Network. That's where you need to click in order to download R. This will take you to a bunch of different CRAN mirrors, different kind of locations that are hosting the CRAN, and you scroll down to the United States, assuming you're in the United States, and click one of these. It doesn't really matter which one. You can click the one closest to you, and that will take you then to this page where you can select your operating system, whatever you're running on your computer, and then click to download that. Now, if you're installing this for the first time, what you need to do is just download the base subdirectory here. If you're installing R for the first time, you can click on that. This will take you then here, download R for Windows or whatever other operating system you're using. You click on that, and it downloads the .exe file that if you then click and run that once it's done downloading, that will install R if you follow the prompts on your screen. Now, what happens when you just download R is this. This right here is what you'll end up with. If you double click on this, it brings up R itself. Now, this is not actually what we're going to ever use to work with R. This is R, and you can use it. You can type commands in here and run them, and it works. But this is R itself, and what we want is actually a bit more of a friendly user interface that is called RStudio. So we're never actually going to work in R itself. What we need to then do once you download R is to go to RStudio.com. RStudio is the most common of these interfaces that you use to work with R. There are others, but RStudio is by far the most common. And RStudio is also the name of the company that produces it. They're a really cool company. But if you go here to Products, down to RStudio, and click on that, it will take you to this page where you can read a bit about RStudio and the different options you have. They have a server option now, or a desktop version. If you click on the desktop version here, which is what I use, you can read a bit about the comparison between the two. Click Download RStudio Desktop. And you can then choose your version, which you're going to want just the free RStudio Desktop version. You don't need to pay for a commercial license. You can try the RStudio Server version if you want, which is also free. You click on Download here. And that will allow you to then download RStudio if you follow the prompts there. If you have it create a shortcut, what it's going to end up looking like if you were to open up that shortcut is something like this as it loads. Very slowly. So this is RStudio. This is what we're going to be working with, and in another video I will show you exactly how this software works.